All right, what's up? Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the live stream. Ready to go here on a Tuesday. Hopefully, everything is working. I'm a little bit nervous because my internet went off for like 15 minutes right before I started the stream up today. So, hopefully, it's going to hold up. Not sure if all of a sudden I I am gone during the stream. That could be why. But otherwise, we got 5 minutes before market opens, so let's go ahead and get ready. Let's go. All right. I think it's working. I'm trying ultra low latency as well this morning, so maybe a hiccup or two along the way, especially with how my internet is acting this morning. Hopefully it's going to stay up, but we'll see how it does. So yeah, really slow day yesterday. Didn't get any trades out there. It was just god awful nothingness out there. So hopefully we'll find something today. Having a pretty good month overall to start out November. So trying to look to keep that going. And we got about 3.5 minutes until the market opens up. So haven't really looked at too much. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot that's interesting. The Chinese sector looks like it's moving. But other than that, don't have a whole lot on the watch list. So just going to be waiting for what the scanners give me and go from there. I think this is working. Let me make sure. Good morning, Chart Stalker. Good to see you.
Good morning, Chart Stalker.
Sounds like it's working. My internet is just struggling a little bit this morning. It was out for 15 minutes before I went live today, and it came back on. I thought I was just going to be going back to bed. But it came back on, so I'm a little bit nervous about it just because my internet company sucks. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's going to hold up. Got less than 2 minutes now. Pretty much Chinese sector is what's moving so far. Anything in the Chinese sector is pretty much up between 5 and 10%. Some of them a little bit more. Billy here's up 15% before market opens up. Lyft is up a little bit. But we'll see. I'm just very nervous about my internet. Also extremely tired. So we probably won't go much past 10:30 this morning. I got some appointments this afternoon I've got to get to and haven't slept much, so we'll see how it goes. Good morning, Addedly. All right, getting ready to go here. Market's about to open up. We'll see what we find. Rum is moving here before market open. No shares there. Well, they're hard to borrow. Whoa! We got a bunch of things popping here out of the opening gate. Coin, Tesla moving. FTCH could be interesting here. See if it gets up above 1070s. Which was kind of the high of that initial surge. And now it's just stalled there. So maybe one a little bit higher now. See if we can get above 1080 here. Had a real nice volume surge there. Right out of the gate and then just died off. Pack B also moving. Come back to this in a second. Yep, Pack B is moving nicely. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get in Pack B here. I'm in at 1222. We'll see what it does. Look for a move up through the 1250s. Otherwise, down under 12 will be first partial. Okay, taking half off right there. Down to 100. See if we can get a bit more here, maybe below 1180. Put those 50 shares out at 1180. Can I get a fill down there? Yes, got those. Left with 50 shares now. See if we can get these below 1160 now. Man, scanner is lighting up this morning. This is what I like to see. Tesla taking a big move to the downside after its initial surge. Let me see if we can get below 1160 here on the rest of these Pack B shares. Trying to keep my eye on everything else that's moving at the same time. SE is moving. I'm going to go ahead and get started here in SE. I'm in at 6022. Seeing it down below 59.70. Okay, taking SE all out right there. Just a quick one there because I was not in towards the top on that move. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cover out Pack B, the rest of that one right there. I was holding on, looks like it's getting ready to move higher. Now we'll see what else we can find. Good start to the morning. Man, SE, I wish I would have been quick enough to get that at above 61. Let's see what it does now. I would need much higher at this point. Tesla is now rebounded all the way to pushing the highs of the morning. SE looks like it's getting ready to get a little bit more of a drop here. Ah, dang, PACB went right after I got out the rest. That's all right. MNSO is moving. Huge float there. Kind of slowish. GDS is moving as well. Kind of same deal. QFin. Just traded this one the other day nicely. Trying to keep my eyes all around because a lot of things popping this morning on the scanner. W making a nice move to the downside. A little bit light on the volume for that one. QFin only 300,000 as well. I see kind of making a bear flag here at 59.50. There's the break. QFin's a little slow. 17 spot there on the daily is pretty good though. QFin has just died off with the volume. ARRY is moving. Volumes. Okay. Wanted a bit higher there through the 2150s. All right, now I can settle down a little bit, see what comes to us. Doesn't look like too many people showed up today, so probably if it keeps going that way, won't be around long. HD now, big move to the downside after that initial surge. Kind of want to try it with small size on a little scoop if it gets down a little bit further towards 300. ARRY trying again. Just a little bit light on the volume, kind of moving slow. Let's see what it does here. See if it gets into the 2190s. Rad, making a big move, very light volume. Tesla now making a new high. Here he got up to 2182. Couldn't quite get up into the 90s there on that move. At this point, I would need through 22. See if you can push through 22. Volume is just a bit light. Probably need at least 2220 on a push now. Just keeps making a little move and then stalling out. No, couldn't get through 22. Failed that try. So we'll look for something different. AZTA. Wish there would have been some more volume pre-market. That thing made a huge move on earnings, though. Well, can't complain with that open. A bunch of things popping. Probably could have had one or two more in there too. Whoa, FDMT. What's going on here? Very light volume. Maybe if it gets through 18 somehow, could give it a stab. What's the float here? Only 32. There's a big spread there for a $17 stock as well. Keep my eye on it, see what it does here. But look at that, 50-cent spread right now, 30-cent in a $17 stock. Makes it a little tough. Market now dipping a little bit off the opening move higher. There's Netflix moving. It's actually at the lows of the morning for it. Only less than 500,000 traded in Moderna so far today. Yikes. It's kind of crazy. Okay, market making a little bit more aggressive move down now. Good morning, Gold Star. Did you get any of these poppers that we had on the scanner this morning? I know you use it. Had a bunch of things going off. Coin moving down pretty strongly here. 55 was where it failed to break under in pre-market, a little bit lower. And VTA. You got Billy and Pac B. Nice. I was looking at Billy, I think. Yeah, I got fooled on my final shares there on Pac B. I covered the rest. I thought it was coming back up through 12. It did not. Missed the ad as well in SE as it got up through 61. It was so fast. I wasn't able to get my ad in there. So then once it came down, I just took that. Coin is moving a bit down now. What would I need for a long here? Is there a Q-fin spike? A little one. Hello, honey Bobo. How are you, honey? Oh man, FTCH. If that one wouldn't have slowed down, I would have been in there, but it just slowed down so hard on the volume there. And that was a nice move. Few things bouncing off of the recent downward movement, so kind of trying to sort through those. Netflix right back up. You think I remembered the ones I looked at 10 seconds ago? Nope. FDMT is trying to push through its high. PDSB was a big mover yesterday. Up another 6% so far today. Let me get up to in pre-market. 780. We have an imposter. We'll have to get Wired in here to sort this out. No check mark? Yeah. Even GDT's got a check mark. On Twitter, at least. Earn through fame, fortune. FDMT could spike big if it gets through 18. Rad is just still grinding away higher. Big 17, almost 18% move there now. But it's just grinding. Not making an interesting move for me yet. Along the S&P now. That was about as far away from my strategy, sir, as you could get. Tesla making a new high. Market moving higher. So you looking right, but... Tesla now pushing 200 again. Oh, I didn't even see that move in pre-market. Look at that. Yeah, it held on to that 400 level nicely, which I'm guessing you liked. On the SPY, at least. Quick 5 points. Nice. IONQ is earnings, apparently. Very bad range as well. TGNA, what happened in here? Well, there's a point in seconds. Would need much higher at this point than the previous 2040. This thing's all over the place right now. Couple guys in the room are in. ARRY pushing up towards the highs again. Keeping my eye on that on my other half of my monitor here. Dang, maybe should have just hit it right when I pulled it up, but... Oh yeah, 2050 was perfect there on the daily too. Dang, I didn't see the daily. Oh well. Not a great sign there. I gotta log out. Log in. Oh boy, internet's still having issues today. First cold day of real cold day of the year, and internet can't handle it. At least I wasn't in a trade. Oh, TGNA though. Pain. HKD doing dumb things again. AMD, nice little pop here. Open is just... This whole extension is 10 cents. Short signal for the financials. What's that signal? Smoke flare? Smoke flare? Smoke signal? I'm too tired to think. There's short. Okay. Good luck. Die, market, die. Ari's still just kind of trying, but not really making a crazy move. I'd probably need up through 2250 real quick. What's up, John? Green, despite my internet dying twice this morning, once before stream and once just a minute ago. Hopefully you're doing good today. Oh, look at that move, Vincenzo. You're killing it today. Yeah, it is scary. It makes me afraid to trade more. I don't know what's going on. It's definitely not me. It's got to be my... freaking bad internet company. Okay. Well, the day is young. Wary today? I mean, the market's been so tough lately. It probably makes for a wary trader. I've definitely been wary. Having a good November overall, but... it's just been... in general, a tough environment. The last up move of the NQ tested the high of the opening range. Let's see what it does. It certainly did. Pulled back pretty aggressively off of it. He said, not today, or at least not right now. MNSO making a little bit of a move here. This is the one that's in the billions on the float. I'd like to get one more before I roll out. I'm not gonna be doing a long stream today. I worked all night, so I'm extremely tired. And I have my next tattoo appointment this afternoon that I have to be awake for. Hey, PDSB, what are you doing? Can you get up through 8? See if we can make the move through 8 here on PDSB. Well, fell right off of it so far. Hit 797, couldn't get up and through. So now if it gets through 8, I'll probably need 820. Just because it did not break right there. Financials reach short target. Markets may reverse back up. Okay, we'll see what they do. I don't know how to predict the market whatsoever. No clue. I don't even try. Let's see if PDSB can now make a nice move through 8 here. Would have really liked it more if it did it on the initial move there. Oh man, my eyes are tired. I got probably 10:30 in me today, boys. Don't have too many people here anyway, so it's okay. They could watch it on replay. Netflix doing? Netflix, just staying back and forth within the range. It's kind of trying to pop up through the highs though. Retested it again there. You moving a little bit. PDSB trying this $8 mark again. Put you on my other chart for now. You would probably need a nice move up towards 37. Sitting right at 36.50 currently. Let me actually go over there here. Oh man, Nine's daily is crazy. Is up. What's that? 300, 450% since October. If I did my math right, which there's a very good chance I did not right at this current moment. Well, there's PDSP through 8. It did not make a nice move though. Trying to get that honey voodoo sketty money. I'm just trying to make it through the day. NRGV. Not really interested in that. Honey boo biscottis, mix butter and ketchup in a bowl. Oh. I don't like any of that. I don't really even like pasta that much. That is not something I would be enjoying. SI, a little move. We need to see up through the highs and then a move further away from it. Daily's not that great. Well, there it is getting through the highs. Where would I need it though? Really up through the 60 mark at least. It's a little slow, lighter on the volume, under a mil still on the day. Coin moving, AFRM moving a little bit. Coin actually trying to get to highs of the day. Yeah, the volume here in SI is just light. Blech, gross, Vincenzo. Okay, market broke down through that recent consolidation period. Whew, man, I am tired. Financials tanked. We going down. We going down, down. Can't sing that. Get banned. Market give you a little bit longer, and then I gotta go to bed. Man, I wish I would have gotten that TGNA. Holy smokes. It was a little scary. A little bit. Yeah, faked out. I mean, it was a pretty strong initial push down there through that consolidation. Certainly looked like we were going lower. I mean, it kind of got down towards the previous, at least on the SPY, kind of near the 400 mark, and then it's bouncing off of that, a little bit above it. I'm still waiting for the Wired to start posting videos. Waiting for it. Waiting for our dual stream together. MEGL, kind of a nice move, but no volume, hard to borrow. You're back long? Okay. To the moon! PDSB, are you going to give me a shot here? I need probably 40. Trend is your friend? Well, in that case, sideways. On the market, at least. You know you liked that video. I know you did. You don't have to tell me. It's okay. That is a bad one, too. I'll probably do another kind of similar video, just with some different ones in there in the future. It did pretty well on the... Can't speak all of a sudden. Did pretty well on the YouTube analytics. Better than I thought it did. Normally those type of videos do worse than the trading ones, but it was kind of right up there with it. Maybe because the production value was so quality. Whoa, DWAC dropping. The UAC just dropped from 27 almost down to 25 in about 5 minutes. Tesla making an aggressive move back towards the highs. And you're flat, okay. Sounds like a green trade though. Get those financials. Yeah. I mean, unfortunately, to make money in trading, you gotta pretty much get it all right, don't you? You can get lucky every once in a while. Pearl movie? What is that? Pearl movie. A horror film? Did I miss something, Vincenzo? I mean, you guys could pretty much get anything by me right now. My brain power is not currently strong enough. I don't know if you guys are messing with me or not. Can't tell. I mean, there is a movie called Pearl that came out this year. It's getting decent ratings. Hey, Tesla booming here to new highs. Mia Goth, David Cornsweet. I don't know if I recognize any of them. Net of 1 is better than a net of -1. AVDL, a pop here. Volume kind of out of nowhere. Didn't have any volume all day. Let's see if it goes higher. Volume might just be too much of an issue though, because it's literally just two 80K candles. Oddly enough, one of them really didn't move at all, and then the other one's the one that actually made the move. Still have your long signal. I mean, the SPY is just back and forth basically between 402 and 400. Just back and forth. Little seesaw. Tesla up and right back down. Nothing there good enough for me to be trading, but give it just another couple minutes and then I gotta go to bed. So I can go get my leg beat on for 5-6 hours later. Nope. Yeah, I saw that he hasn't been on in a minute. I don't know what's going on there. Is he not on again today? No, not on again today. Hope he's alright. Could be a good thing, though, for him if he's actually just taking a break. Could be concerning that he just tried to go hard off stream and make a bunch of his money back. Hood's moving a bit. Up 8% today. Range is pretty crappy. Coming up on the 200 on the daily. Where's my cursor? Which is like right at 1050, just a little bit under. Billy making new highs and pushing stronger higher. Pretty much the whole Chinese sector this morning I saw was making good moves. A lot of things up 10% or more. Don't know what's going on with China, but something that the market likes at least. See you, Vincenzo. I'm about to leave too. Thanks for being here, buddy. Appreciate you. I'm going to give it like another minute, literally. Another minute, just in case anything pops here. And then I'm going to bed. At least we made some green trades here on the stream today, up $110. Can't complain about that. Could have traded them a little bit better, but especially with how tired I am today, I will take it. I see all the way back up to the highs. Tesla moving back towards the highs. Coin is through the highs. All right, I gotta go to sleep. I appreciate everybody. I appreciate everybody who joined me today. Short stream today, but that's why I chose to do it today, because now I don't have to sit here and edit a video. Appreciate you guys. Hopefully you did well today. If not, trade well throughout the rest of the morning. And I'll catch you in the next one. There's not going to be any sound in the outro because I'm monetized now and it keeps getting copy striked. So enjoy the outro without any music.